ओके, वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीबॉडी। सबको मेरा प्रणाम। थोड़ा रात हो गया, थोड़ा यहाँ पे लाइट कम है। सो भाई लोग, बहन लोग, फ्रेंड्स, हेटर्स, जो लोग भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं या आप देखेंगे बाद में, आपको एक ही रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ मैं। दिस इज विकी डे, यू कैन सी मी, ओके। एज सुन एज यू सी दिस वीडियो, काइंडली टैग योर फ्रेंड्स एंड शेयर इट एवरीवेयर। ठीक है। डरना किसको चाहिए पता है? जो गलत काम करते हैं। डरना किसको चाहिए? जो पाप करते हैं। जो लोग विक्टिम हैं, जो लोग सह रहे हैं, आप लोग को डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आप लोग का डर हम लोगों का कमजोरी है। आप लोग डरना बंद करो, ठीक है ना? डरना बंद करो। आप लोग का काम ज्यादा नहीं है, शेयर करिए, जहां शेयर करना है करिए। आप लोगों को कोई कुछ बोलेगा, कोई कुछ करने आएगा, सीधा कैमरा को ऑन करिए, लाइव वीडियो में आइए, लाइव वीडियो में सीधा बोलिए कि हमको कोई अटैक करने आया या हमको कोई सवाल करने आया। लेट इट बी लाइव, दुनिया देखेगा ना। ये तरीका है। अभी कोई कुछ करने आएगा ना, आई एम गिविंग यू एन ऑप्शन। सबके पास एंड्रॉयड फोन है, राइट? सबके पास है, सबके पास है। तो एंड्रॉयड फोन जब कोई ग्रुप लेके अटैक करने आता है या हैरेस करता है, तो सो व्हाट यू डू इज, आपको क्या करना है, आप लाइव कर दो। लाइव करके आप बता दो, उसके बाद तो एविडेंस भी हो जाएगा, सब नॉर्मल हो जाएगा, ठीक है? शेयर करो। दिस मैसेज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट्स फॉर ऑल द प्रेशर ग्रुप्स, इट्स फॉर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट वायलेंस, इनसाइड वायलेंस। तो जो भी लोग हैं, आई नो द पीपल ऑफ मेघालय, दे नो हिंदी एज वेल, सो आई विल स्पीक बोथ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश। अगर आप लोगों को ये लगता है कि आप लोग मीटिंग करेंगे, प्रेशर ग्रुप्स, आई एम एड्रेसिंग इट टू यू, यू आर टेकिंग मी लाइटली एंड दैट्स योर बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक। आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू आई एम ग्रेटर देन यू, you are greater, you are greatest, congratulations. What I'm saying is, I want the right thing to be done by you, otherwise you will get banned. आपको समझ में आया क्या बोला? जितने प्रेशर ग्रुप है मेघालय में, एनजीओस, आप लोगों को मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूं। अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे को फटाफट अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे को एक अग्रीमेंट, रिटन अग्रीमेंट विद द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सील, साइंड बाय लोकल मजिस्ट्रेट, द सीएम, द गवर्नर, सबका सिग्नेचर लेके अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे को एक अग्रीमेंट, अकॉर्ड नहीं दिया कि मेरे नॉन ट्राइबल मीन्स हिंदूस, जो माइनॉरिटी में है उधर, जो एथनिक क्लिनजिंग का शिकार हो गया 1979 से, सीबीआई इंक्वायरी बैठेगा, प्रूव हो जाएगा। इतना पॉपुलेशन किधर गया हम लोग का, ठीक है ना? और इतना एविडेंस है, सब क्लियर होगा। तो मैं आपको क्लियर बता रहा हूँ, एकदम फुल रेस्पेक्ट एंड विथ फुल assurance that we will solve it. We are here to solve it. We are not. You need to understand one thing. I'm not an enemy of anyone. I'm an enemy. No. I'm not even a threat. I'm a solution for getting justice back, for getting humanity back in Meghalaya. So all the pressure groups, okay, all the pressure groups, either you sign a peace agreement, an accord, wherein you guarantee me my 9% non-tribals will not be harassed, will not be beaten up by mobs, will not be killed, will not be stabbed. What you did in Yaudu, मेघालय पुलिस, आपको भी ये सवाल है। बड़ा बाजार में 8 आदमी को बोतल घुसा दिया, चाकू घुसा दिया, 2 लोग मर गया। कितना जेल में डाला आप लोग? सर, हाउ मेनी आर इन जेल? ओके, सो प्रेशर ग्रुप्स, let me tell you one thing. There is enough evidence. You think I am the only one? You think if I am not there, it will be resolved? No, I have a team. Even if I am not there, my team is ferocious. They'll start, and they are different because they are not from Meghalaya. My team is from Canada, Russia, US, Maharashtra. You name it, they are there. समझ गया? So it's better as long as I am handling it. Okay, so understand. Either you make an agreement, pressure groups, NGOs, so-called student organization, लिख के दो हमको, लिख के दो कि मेरा 9% नॉन ट्राइबल जो इंडियन है, आप डिसाइड मत करो कौन इंडियन है कौन नहीं। आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट नहीं है, आप तो गवर्नमेंट भी नहीं है, आप नॉन गवर्नमेंट है, ठीक है। सो बी इन योर लिमिट्स। जो पहला किया ना, बस इट वॉज रॉन्ग, इट वॉज इलीगल, कंटिन्यू नहीं होगा। अब आपका पास दो ऑप्शन है, आप या तो लिख के दो 9% नॉन ट्राइबल को कभी कुछ होगा नहीं, और होगा अगर किसी को भी कुछ, वो आदमी जेल में जाएगा, सड़ेगा जेल के अंदर, बेल वेल नहीं मिलेगा, ऐसा लिख के दो। नहीं लिख के देगा तो आई विल सी यू सून इन रिपब्लिक टीवी, I will see you soon in Republic TV. I will see you soon in NDTV. I will see you soon in Z News. If I don't see you, because life is temporary, I can die out of anything. Sickness, I can get murdered, I can die out of accident. I don't give a damn. I have a team. So this is something which will be fulfilled. हमारा टीम करेगा। तो आपको हम फिर से बता रहा है, प्रेशर ग्रुप्स, ओवरग्राउंड टेररिस्ट। A person or an organization getting inside police station, slapping a police officer, how shameful is that? An organization burning innocent people in Bishnupur, how shameful is that? A pressure group, so-called organization, not giving licenses to poor people to feed their families, how shameful is that? You will not only be banned, you will be investigated by CBI. Mark my words. All the cases from 1979, after the formation of the group in 1978, will be investigated thoroughly. All the murders, extortion, arson, rapes, everything. Understood? This is Constitution of India, and Meghalaya is in India, and we all are Indians. Okay? You stop whatever happened in the past. Don't let the world know what happened, because it will be a very, very bad thing to happen. So understand what I'm saying. Understand what I'm saying. You all Meghalaya people are my brothers and sisters and my friends and haters. It's okay. I am a citizen of Meghalaya, domicile of Meghalaya. My chaprang klurkari. It applies to me also. You don't consider me as the son of the same soil. I am born there. So by default, I am the same son. Maybe your ideology is different, mine is different. I want to develop Meghalaya. I want to make everyone rich. I want to see Meghalaya as the most richest state in India. I want to see it as the safest place. It's your job, pressure groups, to do it. If a non-tribal goes to Moglai 12 o'clock, he should be like safe, you know. He should be safe. It doesn't matter if he's in Moglai at 12 o'clock, Jayao at 2 a.m. in the morning. That's what Meghalaya should be all about. We live in a human society. Okay? Not a criminal society. You have to change it. So please, whatever I'm doing, I'm not only doing it for Meghalaya, I'm doing it for you also. Change it. The president of pressure groups, change it. Don't follow previous leaders. If you follow their footsteps, my brothers of pressure groups, terrorists, everyone I'm telling you all. If you follow their footsteps, kindly clean your eyes. Look at their footsteps. It's covered with blood. It's covered with sin. I want you to leave a mark. Be a leader for everyone. Don't follow others. What you do is, you do something which makes even the 9% of Hindus, non-tribals, our Sikh brothers, Gorkha community, Bihari community, Marwadi community, everyone safe and happy. You get love. They will vote for you. We all will cheer for you. No, you don't want to do that. Then you are wrong way. And if you are in the wrong way, you will be penalized. You will be banned. I'm telling you again. All the terrorists, so-called organizations, NGOs, please, don't use government force. Don't pressurize them to arrest me. I hope you know the Supreme Court order, right? So I hope you understand everything. Don't pressurize. If you try to use the government by pressurizing them, you people lock the CM by making mob. You people slapped a police officer. It's the biggest sin. They are the protector, damn it. They protect everyone. Don't do all this. So stop your criminal ideology. Your videos where you assaulted people in police bazaar, people where it's there. Everywhere it's there. The only thing is, it's a matter of time when it is shown in national media. I don't want to do that. Mr. President, shining star, I want you to shine for everyone. ठीक है? Please understand. Write a letter, get signature from the Chief Minister, respected Chief Minister, the DIG, IPS, hardworking IPS, and get it signed even by the Governor, get it signed by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, get it signed by the Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council, get it signed even from the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, get it signed by all Dorbar Shnongs there. Everything is run by Dorbar Shnongs there, right? I want everyone's signature on an agreement that my 9% non-tribal who are born and brought up there. I don't care anyone who is coming now, bro. I don't support any influx. I'm talking about the people who are born there, born and brought up there. Even I support you if you don't want people coming from outside. Even I support you if you don't want people coming from outside, I support you. But the people who are born and brought up there, they are reduced from 30% to 9%, and it will not reduce anymore. We will live there. It's our land. We are born there. You have a land act, right? We cannot buy land. We are paying rent. Damn it. We are paying you money to stay there. You know why? Because we love that place. Even though it's so dangerous because of you all people, we still live there because the education is good, because the climate is good. But you want to wipe it off? Hello, you are in India and we are Indians. It's run by constitution, not your constitution. You need to understand this. Understand? You have only two options. फिर से याद करा रहा हूँ. Pressure groups, President Mr. Shining Star. Within 2-3 days, write a letter stating you all guarantee and safeguard the 9% non-tribals living there who are born and brought up there will be safeguarded. They will be equal. They will not be discriminated. They will be treated as brothers. I don't want anything from you all. They will be allowed to do business, and our quota of 20% will be our quota. How come you took 80% to 98%? Illegal, right? Stop all this. You take 80%, bro. Even we are might shaprang klurkari. Give us 20%. ठीक है? That's legal. Constitution दिया हम लोग को. You do all this, then we are in the same boat, and I will help you all people to earn, to become so, you know, high profile in life in 5-8 years. You can't even imagine. I'm not joking. I am planning to get foreign, you know, nationals to Meghalaya for tourism. We will earn in dollars, euros. You know that? It's only Wikiday can do it. ठीक है? We can do it so well for everyone. But if you don't stop this, you know, gundagiri, terrorism, Wikiday will not stop. And my next stage is news channel, which is national media. So be very, very careful on this. Try to understand I'm not an enemy. Try to understand humanity first. Try to understand what I'm doing is fight for the right and equality. Don't do it because I will not lose. I have a team. So either you will get banned. I'm telling you right now. All the organizations in Meghalaya, NGOs, write it down on a piece of paper. You will be banned and tagged as terrorist organization very soon if you don't change your ideology. Your 80% Khasi people, 90% Khasi people are so poor, you know, they have nothing. Poor people coming on the road, old people selling vegetables. What you are doing for so many years? What you are doing? Becoming leader, later becoming ministers, and wow. Very good. What you did for Khasi community? Nothing. You are just feeling hatred, brainwashing them that they have risk from the non-tribals. Hello, the job is yours, the land is yours. Where is the risk? They have risk with people like you who are brainwashing them. Understood? क्या बोला समझ में आया? Either you change your ideology, you have only two options. If I don't get a letter signed by everyone stating safeguarding our people there, safety, job equality, business, everything. What man, 20%, 9% population you cannot digest, but you can digest 100% tax paid by non-tribals? Come on, don't be a hypocrite. Either you do this, or if you don't do this, soon we'll see each other in national media, but that will be the last thing. You all will be banned if I go there.